You can't believe what it looks like. Look what it looks like. Watch. Oh my god, there's a glitch. Can you see that glitch? This glitch is everywhere. Oh god, let's just go back to it. What's the word? Oh. Am I just thinking that? I just don't know. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I'm making a glitch everywhere. Ah! This glitch is getting turned. That's not right. You just don't even know. And you don't even think. What's going on here? You just go in here, just making that stuff. It's all if you can take one. Maybe. Everything is going crazy. My face is crazy. Look at all of that. Man, it is stupid tools. Everything is going crazy. Like, yeah, look at this. It's like, oh my god. Oh, yeah, that's too bad. Oh my god, it's black. You can't see it. If you can see it, you say, ah, it's everywhere. Ah, it's a messed up crazy. It's crazy. So crazy. What just happened? You can see. And voice sound for voice. Yeah. This is who is showing crazy. Crazy? Crazy. Is this crazy? Look at that. Well, if I could turn it off, it dominates. Oh, this is weird. This is, oh yeah, look at this. Look at this right there. Look at that right there. Can you see how small it is? Let's just turn it up. Oh god, that's too far. Ah, look at me right there. It looks so scary. That's crazy. So that's a friend. Now that is really great for Racy. Thanks for that. Well, look at this. Look at me right over there. No. That's too close. Now look at me over here. That's me over there. Can you see that? Oh my god, that is so... Oh, there it is. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is equal 6 brothers and sisters. Yeah, because that's really weird. It's weird. Okay. Weird and weird. I want to say no, because that is really weird. That's really weird. Ah! Okay, yeah. What's a view? Hey, this is weird. This is so weird. I don't know what is this about. Okay, that's good. What? You know what's weird? I'm doing it the wrong way. Okay, this is a weird. Create a website? No, wait. Create. How can you create a website? What the? No. Create. This is no. Create a website. Uh-oh, what am I doing at? Create a system. I can create a website? No. That is really... How can I make a cram site? Hello. This is going so crazy. Ah, man, yeah.